Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Aditya. Now we are going to see simple calculator application. How the output is I'll show you. The output we get is like this. There is an input box and some buttons by using which we can calculate values. Now we'll see the code. And in a simple calculator, we have index.html file, script.js and style.css file. In that index.html document type is HTML and language English and meta information, and we have linked style sheet using linking tag and relation tag and title simple calculator. In body we have a container. In that container we have input box and divs that are buttons. Total 5 divs we have and 4 buttons. 5 fours are 20. Total 20 buttons are present. And at last we have added a script file .script.js using script tag, and for equal button we have taken a class equal button, and for operators we have given a class operator. We are going to see about CSS file. For CSS file, for universal we have given the margin as 0, padding as 0, and box sizing, border box, and font family sans serif. The font family is optional. You can keep any font family, or we can use the default font family also. For the container, we have given some padding and border radius and background color and box shadow. For box shadow, we'll see the output how we'll get the box shadow. Like this, we'll get the box shadow, which is outer box. This is the box shadow. And for body, we have given width, height, and display flex by using these 3 lines of code: display flex, justify content, and align items. We get total this calculator, which is outer container box at the center of the page. Initially, it will be here. Then, after adding the 3 lines of code, it will come to the center. And for input box, we have given some color property, width property, and border and alignment. We have given align to right, text align to right. To give, if we give it right, here the text will start. If we give it left, here the text will start. If we give here center, then at center we get this text. And padding and background color transparent. For this also we have given is shadow, that is this shadow we have given for the input box. And inner text color is white and cursor is pointer. Cursor is pointer means if we go over the input box, then we can see hand symbol like this, pointing towards it. And for input placeholder, for defaultly we kept the color to white. For buttons, we have some properties like border, width, height, margin, border radius, and box shadow, etc. For equal button, we have given the background color as orange. If we give the background color as orange, then we see that the background for equals to is orange. If we give the color as orange, then for equals inside the font, for the equal we will get orange color. For operator, we have given the color as some pinkish type. Now we are going to see about JavaScript file. First, we are taking input box and taking all the buttons. by using buttons variable. First, we are keeping the string as empty, and for array, we are taking array dot from buttons. We are keeping all the buttons in an array form. Now, for the array, we are taking for each button, we are going to give a event listener, that is click function, and we are taking the parameter e. We are going to take the parameter as e, and we are going to take else if ladder. By using else if ladder, we will check some conditions. If e dot target dot inner html is equal to space, it means that in html file, if we get the button value as equal, inner html value as equal, then we'll do function string equal to evaluate string. Evaluate string is basically the meaning that evaluate function is used to evaluate the statements. Whatever you give the statement, it will evaluate it. And next, in else if, we are taking AC. AC means to remove all the data. First, we keep the string empty, then we'll show the input value as string. This input value only will get in the box form. And next, in our HTML, delete means to keep. For example, if we take a number like 9876, then if we delete, 6 numbers should go. Means we have to take substrings such as string dot length -1. If the string length is 4, then we have to do -1. It will become 3 and will store to the string. Then 987 will be stored and it will be displayed. If these three functions are not occurred, then finally will occur fourth statement, that is else statement. In else statement, we'll add each string. For example, first we have clicked the button 8, then we have clicked again 9, then 9, then it shows that by the above statement, we'll see that it will join both the strings as 89 and it will be outputted to the value. Let's check the output, how we'll get it. I will click the button 8, then 8 will be displayed. If I click now 9, then it shows like 89. And if I multiply with some 2 and equal to, evaluation will occur and will get as 178. If I click AC, then everything will pop and 0 will be there. If I take some random number 4958 something and we'll use the delete button, then last number would go. Like that, we are going to use the simple calculator function. That's the end of session. Thanks for watching my video.